kulawa? To an ba ku kulawa? To insha Allah kun dai ga za a mai shi ku lafiya. Akan uwayenku ku koma lafiya. Kuna lafiya ku. Akwai wadda an kawo magana banza daga cikin ku. Duka cikin lami lafiya ko? To insha Allah ga mu dai insha Allah mutum ne ne insha Allah za a bashe ku ta kan sulhu a zama lafiya sai ku koma lafiya. An yi bai an sheku ba. Jirgi nawa ya tawo a gidan ku? Ba mu sani ya. Kun san iyaka? Insha Allah kun dai gwamnati ta kasa an saku ko? A
congratulations to me, Nigerians. I'm not a bandit. Congratulations to me. 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 Oh, now bandits na be. Now only for Nigeria, bandits go kidnap school children. Government not fit do anything. The same bandits they call tire, they call release them by choice. Which means these children they under the mercy of these bandits. They can do to them anything where they like at any time. Because the government, they are not responsible for their life. Now Nigeria don't see they happen. And for that reason, I don't take them upon myself. Since bandits are the most powerful people in Nigeria, I don't sacrifice myself to become a bandit in Nigeria. May one person come arrest me first. And my job now they do. I'm not a bandit. May nobody arrest me. Oh. Now bandits now be. May nobody arrest me. Oh. Now bandits now be. Kai! Osei nama. Osei nama. Tinubu, thank you. Thank you. I don't start my bandit journey. Thank you for the empowerment. I don't buy 2 goats. And I don't pass from where human beings they stay now. Inside bush now they stay now. Any moment from now, go the people go to join this one to start my bandit journey. Thank you for your empowerment in Nigeria.
Hey! Hey! Who are you?
I'm a bandit.
You're a bandit in this land? You get mouth. They thought say you bandit.
Kai, what's in nama?
Ubanka. Ubanka.
What's in nama?
Ubanka. Hey, man, who are you?
I'm a bandit.
You're not a bandit.
I'm a bandit.
You're not a bandit.
I'm a bandit.
You're not a bandit.
I'm a bandit. See, you they try me, oh. You they try me, oh. Who are you?
See, if you don't know me, now me be the original bandit where they control this land. And I give you 2 minutes. 2 minutes, madam. If you don't live here, I'll do it to you.
See, I go use it to practice wickedness, oh. I go use it to learn how to shoot gun, oh. To the one that you they try me, oh. You they try me, oh. You they try me, oh. See, if you call yourself better bandit, eh, cross this line, then I go use you to learn how to shoot gun.
Okay, that Buru Banka. I don't cross that Buru Banka. What are you going to do, that Buru Banka?
Jesus, like this guy.
What are you going to do, that Buru Banka?
Let's get a better bandit, oh. See, if you know say you be better bandit, prove yourself.
You want me to prove myself?
Prove yourself.
Hey, madam, mujhe. You have seen it, right? Let's see Buru Banka.
See,
let's see Buru Banka.
Today you go.
Your father, Yash. Hey, nonsense.
Drop me now.
You are a stupid boy.
Drop me now. I'm a learned bandit. I know my right.
You are right.
I know my.
To your right.
You bush bandit.
Hey, that's Buru Banka. Idiot. Buru Banka.
I go. Don't carry my goat. Someone help me. I beg Mona help me, Nigeria. Body don't carry my goat. You see the problem of Nigeria. You go inside bush, your body go pursue you. You go inside town, no human being go pursue you. Bush not safe, town not safe. If you see go meet government go deny you. You don't understand. Now the problem of Nigeria be that.
Like and subscribe.